Welcome back to Magic Village. Our guests are our priority. We are committed to providing a safe environment, enhancing our cleaning and safety protocols to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Our properties have implemented the highest standards of cleanliness, disinfection, and hygiene. In addition, we have extended our fogger application in all public areas. We increased the frequency of cleaning and disinfecting procedures with CDC-recommended cleaning agents on high-traffic areas in our public spaces. UV bulbs are also used to disinfect the fitness room, the restrooms, and the kids' playroom. Hand sanitizing stations were installed at the front desk, fitness room, and pool area. Signages and the furniture redistribution remind our guests to practice social distancing. We are simplifying the check-in process with less contact, and we're offering a contactless option with a digital kiosk. Every day, we are getting our social spaces and rooms cleaned with the U.S. EPA-approved disinfectants. Before every check-in, our team is sanitizing our homes using UV wands, especially in high-touch surfaces. And our welcome kit now includes the sanitizer gel. Our restaurant is open and delivering directly to your home door. When staying in a vacation home, you have less interaction with other guests and lower traffic in the common areas. As part of the Wyndham family, we are following all of the housekeeping's high standards and best practices. We're actively monitoring and implementing solutions to ensure our guests and staff are healthy and are diligently cleaning our properties to provide you a safe stay. And you can just enjoy the magic.